What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here, and inside of this quick video, what I want to share with you is some powerful tips you can use to generate more leads, okay? Now, this is going to be for people that either already have a business or you want to come in already, really well versed, you know the skill sets, you understand the concepts, and you can really take off from the ground running, okay? So, as you can see right here, I'm in Aweber. Now, if you don't know, Aweber is a popular email platform, email marketing platform. It allows you to collect your leads and then follow up, for weeks or months until people buy. You can offer them more value, things like that. Okay, so as you can see, subscribers yesterday, I had 210 subscribers yesterday. Okay, and then total subscribers 8,000. This is actually a pretty new account. So and it's about 8 a.m., and I already have 30 leads. Now, how am I doing this? I want to share with you my top 3 tips on how you can also start generating, a lot of leads online. So my first tip is you want to pick really one main social media that you want to be on, right? Now, a lot of people, they get online and they hear gurus or people talking about, oh, how good Facebook is, right? And they're like, oh, okay, I need to be on Facebook. So they create a Facebook fan page maybe, or they create a Facebook profile, and they do all that stuff, and then they hear someone else maybe a week later say, oh, Facebook, it's not the best. I mean, you got to be on Instagram. So then people create an Instagram, and then they're on Instagram, but then now the Facebook isn't going as well because they're now split, right? Their attention is split. Then, they hear maybe, oh, you need to do YouTube videos. And then they're on YouTube. And it's like, by that second week the person joins, it's so overwhelming. They're confused. They have no idea what to do because they're so spread. And if you're really spread, you're not going to be able to generate a lot of leads because you're not going to understand what's actually working. So what I recommend, the first tip is picking one social media that you really, or one website or one marketing strategy that you really resonate with, and focusing on that, right? Mastering that one thing and then start to spread out, because that's what I've done. I picked one thing and then I started doing it. Now you may say, well, which one did you pick? The issue isn't which one I picked. The issue is just picking one, right? So that's the first thing. Number 2 is consistency. Consistency. See, a lot of times people, they want to generate leads and they want to do this, and they do it for maybe 2-3 days, and then they look at their lead flow and maybe it's not where they want it to be. They get frustrated and they think it doesn't work and they quit, okay? What you have to understand is Rome was not built in a day. You're laying bricks, okay? It's like Will Smith, he's like, you don't say, I'm going to set out to build the biggest, best building. You say, I'm just going to lay this one brick the best way I can lay it. And then soon enough, you have a building or you have a wall, right? And that's exactly what this is. You don't want to, look at your results in a few days and judge it, right? Give it enough time. Give it a few weeks, a few months, really master it. Decide that you're going to master it. It's the people that dabble and say, oh, I'll try to do this. And those are the people that never succeed. I made a decision a while ago. I said, I'm going to get at least 100 leads a day. And now I'm over 200 leads. I made a decision. And that's the thing I've noticed with successful people is, they don't just dabble. They don't just, well, I'll see how it works. They say, no, I'm going to do this until it works. And that's really the mindset. So consistency is really key. And the last tip I want to share with you is you need to look at your feedback, right? A lot of people, they're scared to look at their results, right? They're scared to actually look at the feedback after it gets going. And once you're consistent on a social media, you want to start looking at the feedback, right? What posts are getting the most likes? What posts are getting the most engagement? What type of videos do people respond to? When you start to actually look at the data and the feedback, then you can adjust accordingly. But if you're not looking, it'd be like trying to, ride on a ship to an island and you're not even looking at the compass or the stars, or you're going to be completely lost, right? Because you have no feedback. It's like if you wanted to get better at anything, you need to see what's working, and then you can make adjustments, okay? So I hope you enjoyed these tips. These are 3 powerful tips you can use today to really start generating tons and tons of leads online. Now, if you like this video, be sure to like it, be sure to comment, and more importantly, subscribe, because I'm going to be posting more tips that you can apply today in your own business or your own life to really start to create that freedom and results you truly want. And last but not least, I'm going to include my Facebook profile below in the description. Feel free to reach out and connect with me. I'm there for you. I share more tips over there, and we can really chat and get to know each other more. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.